Good morning, 12th standard. Today we are going to do the another one part of packing efficiency. We have already discussed the packing efficiency in HCP or CCP. Fine, beta. Now today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the packing efficiency in simple cubic letters, simple cubic unit cell, as well as the in another one, that is the body centered cubic unit cell. So as all of us we know that the packing efficiency is nothing but it is the volume occupied by all the spheres or by the spheres in unit cell multiplied by Z upon total volume of the unit cell and multiplied by 100. So beta, if this is a diagram of a simple cubic unit cell, ये जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं. So as you can see here are the in simple cubic unit cell, there are the two your spheres, or we can say the two that constituent particles lying in a cubic unit cell and front. Okay, so let A will be the edge length of unit cell. इसकी यहाँ से और यहाँ तक की जो edge length है, that is the A. Okay, and if we consider the R as a radius of sphere and both sphere touch each other, this is the condition. All right, like here both spheres here, these both spheres they touch each other. So here we can say that value of A is equals to 2R. R अगर आपका एक स्फीयर का रेडियस है तो जो एज लेंथ होगी वो 2R के बराबर है. Number of sphere per unit cell we have already calculated in simple cubic unit cell, that is equals to 1, and volume of sphere हमें पता ही है 4/3 pi r cube है. यहाँ पर volume of cube कितना हो जाता है, side multiplied by side which is equals to a cube. So it is equals to a ka cube and a value is 2r. So in respect of r it is 2r cube, which after calculating 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. So volume of the cube is equals to 8r cube, and all of us we know that the fraction of the space occupied, that is equals to how much, it is 1/3 pi r cube upon 8r cube is equals to 0.524. or we can say simply अगर हम आपका volume occupied by all the spheres, तो volume कितना occupied हुआ, multiplied by 4/3 pi r cube into 1. यहाँ पे 1 ही होगा बेटा, ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 4/3 pi r cube upon 8r cube, which is equals to after calculation 0.524, and when we multiply it by 100 here, this 100, ठीक है. इसको मैं थोड़ा सा ठीक से लिख देती हूँ बच्चे, so that it was more clear to you. ठीक. This is if we multiplied by it 100, so we can say that the percentage that becomes 52.4%. Okay, so what is all about that 52.4% is the packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. All right. Next one is body-centered cubic cell. Means the packing efficiency in body-centered cubic cell. So in a body-centered cubic cell, as you can see here the diagram, that if we take a triangle, कौन सा वाला triangle, that is AF, ये थोड़ा सा extra हो गया है यहाँ पे. Here we can say, all right, this is A, F and D. This one triangle. ये लाइन जा रही है आपकी, मेरी इतनी क्लियर नहीं बन रही, but still I just try to show you here. if we are talking about this triangle, then let कर देते हैं कि AD value, because it is an edge, so AD is equals to A. कितना है? AD A के बराबर है. And let करते हैं that DF value is how much? It is equals to B. Okay, so and we all of us we know that ED is equals to EF. ये जो EF है और जो ये ED है, because both of these two are the edges, then both length will be the same one because it is a cube. So that will be ED is equals to EF is equals to A. So from here we can say that B square is equals to A square plus A square, which is equals to 2A square. And if we let that AF value ये वाली value अगर हम let करते हैं that this value is equals to how much? If it is equals to C, then we can say that C square is equals to A square plus B square. यही बनेगा. और B square is equals to 2A square है यहाँ पे, तो हम इसकी वैल्यू ले लेंगे और हम यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे that A square plus 2A square. ठीक है ना, यही बना आपका. तो यहाँ से हमारा A square plus 2A square is equals to 3A square. ये बन गया. So and we can say that C value is equals to under root 3A. ये भी बन सकती है. और अगर हम कहें कि C की वैल्यू जो है वो कितने के बराबर है? 4R. कैसे हो गई? देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिएगा. हाफ सर्कल ये वाला, तो इसकी वैल्यू R हो गई. इसकी हाफ सर्कल की ये भी R हो गई. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा जस्ट 1 मिनट. ठीक है, तो इसकी वैल्यू भी इस सर्कल में भी इसकी वैल्यू आपकी इसकी ये R हुई. ठीक है, ये वाला भी एक हाफ सर्कल का ये भी R हो गया, रेडियस है, और यहाँ पे भी हाफ सर्कल इंक्लूड हो रहा है. तो अगर मैं कहूँ तो C इज इक्वल्स टू आपका कितने के बराबर हो जाएगा? 4R के इक्वल्स टू है C. और हमने यहाँ से कैलकुलेट किया है कि C is equals to under root 3 है. So there we can establish a relationship in between 3A is equals to 4R, or we can say A is equals to 4R under root upon under root 3. यही बनेगा. So volume of unit cell is equals to A cube, which is equals to 4R upon under root 3 cube, which is equivalent to 64R cube. After solving out it is equals to 64R cube upon 3 under root 3. और हमें मालूम है number of spheres, या हम कहें Z की वैल्यू जो होती है, Z in BCC case, Z that is equals to, in BCC case it is equals to 2. So volume of two spheres कितना हो जाएगा? 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have to just apply the packing efficiency formula, that volume of a unit cell multiplied by volume of a unit cell uh, spheres of unit cell multiplied by Z upon number of volume of cube. यही होगा. So that we are going to calculate it now. So here we can see that packing efficiency formula is volume occupied by spheres in unit cell into Z into 100 upon total volume. तो दो स्फीयर यूज हुए थे, Z की वैल्यू 2 है, इंटू 4 by 3 pi r cube इंटू 100 upon 4 by 3 4 by under root 3 r cube. ये कहाँ से आया? We have already discussed. So after calculating all this value, we get 68% packing efficiency in body-centered cubic cell. So from here we learned how to calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic, in HCP or CCP, or in BCC, body-centered cubic cell. Now today we are also going to derive the formula for unit cell dimensions or for density. Suppose करते हैं a unit cell edge by X-ray diffraction is A. ठीक है, इस ये एक क्यूबिक सेल है और जिसकी की एज कितनी है, एज है इसमें A. ठीक है. Now, if we say that D is the density of the solid substance and M is the molar mass, then from here we are trying to calculate the density formula or derive the formula of density. Volume of unit cell is equals to A into A into A, as I already told you, that length into breadth into height. ठीक है. Mass of unit cell कितना हो जाएगा, number of atoms in unit cell upon mass into mass of each atom, that is equals to Z into M. यही हुआ. Z क्या है, number of atoms present in one unit cell and mass is the mass of a single atom. So mass is कितना हो गया आपका, that is equals to mass of an atom present in unit cell. तो कितना हो जाएगा बच्चे, that is equals to your given mass upon number of molar mass upon Avogadro number. So यहाँ से हम डेंसिटी कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, दैट मास ऑफ यूनिट सेल अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल. तो मास ऑफ यूनिट सेल जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया, आपका Z into M, that is molar mass upon A cube into Na. So this is the formula for the density of unit cell. Okay, so हमने इस पर भी आज आपका derivation देख लिया है. Now we are going to solve the numericals on the basis of this formula that we are going to do in the next one video. Till now, we are going to calculate or do the assignment which I have attached in this same video. That is, first question, you have to do it in your register, that calculate the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell, which we have already learned right now. Packing efficiency of body-centered cubic unit cell, that also you have to do. Which type of unit cell packing efficiency is maximum? Obviously FCC, क्योंकि उसके अंदर 74% था, या आप उसको HCP या CCP भी कह सकते हैं. Why it is? Because the packing efficiency is 74% as comparatively to the body centered or simple cubic cell. और सबसे कम किसकी होती है, मिनिमम ऑब्वियसली सिंपल क्यूबिक की, बिकॉज इट इज नियर अबाउट 54%. सो बाकी का जो पोर्शन रह जाता है वो क्या रह जाता है बेटा, एम्प्टी रह जाता है स्पेसेस में. ठीक है. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द डेंसिटी ऑफ यूनिट सेल, दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड राइट नाउ. सो ऑल अबाउट दिस we have today learned how to calculate the packing efficiency in simple cubic, in body centered, as well as we also learned how to derive the formula of density of unit cell. So all of these things you have to go and read it from your NCERT book. Try to do the questions also after that, so that the topic should be clear to you. And in our next one video, in my next lecture, we definitely are going to solve the numericals on the basis of density and the number of voids. Till that time, thank you and bye.